In this video, I will show you how to change the language of voiceovers within ElevenLabs. But first, if you want to get the best deals and best discounts available for ElevenLabs, make sure to check out the link in the description below. So let's get started. So once you're in ElevenLabs, go to the Voices tab right there, and then go to Library, and here you see a lot of voices. What you need to do is you need to go to Language right there, tap on it, and just select the language you want. For example, let's say Dutch. All right. Here you can even select an accent of the Dutch voice. For example, this one. Okay, no voice is found for this one, but let's say maybe this one or this one. Okay, let's select this one. Which one were this one? All right, and then we can preview it.
Leef alsof je morgen zal sterven.
And then what we can do, if you like this, you can tap on Add right here. And now you tap on Use. And now what we can do is we can tap on this one, and then we select multi-language. So if you use a voice that is not in English, I always recommend you to select the multilingual voice model instead of the turbo, right? So tap this one. As you can see, you can also see why you need to select that, because ElevenLabs recommends this voice, right? Tap on this, and now just type text you want to generate. For example, subscribe to the channel, which will probably not work, but let's just test it.
Subscribe to the channel.
It actually sounds pretty good, but yeah, of course, this is a Dutch voice and not an English voice. So if you want to type Dutch, for example, which is hoi, is Dutch.
Soy.
Yeah, that is Dutch. But yeah, that is how you can select any voice in any language you would like to use. Again, go to Voices, go to Library, select the specific language, for example, Chinese. Then you can even select an accent, then add it to your voice, to ElevenLabs, to your account. Then go to text-to-speech, and then just generate it. So I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, if you want the best quality voices with the best discounts, check out the link in the description below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.